Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something irresistible about crispy fried tofu tossed in vinegar. It's crunchy, tangy, and surprisingly easy to make. This dish isn't just a staple in Asian cuisine. It's a versatile crowd pleaser that works as a snack, side, or even a main course. In this video, you'll learn how to nail the perfect texture, explore flavor twists, and even discover why this combo is as good for you as it is delicious. Ready to turn a simple block of tofu into something unforgettable? Let's get started. The origins and cultural significance of fried tofu with vinegar. Fried tofu with vinegar isn't just delicious, it's a dish steeped in tradition. From bustling Chinese markets to lively Vietnamese street stalls, this simple yet bold pairing has stood the test of time. Its sharp tang and crispy texture make it more than just food. It's a cultural experience. Let's unpack its journey across borders. Traditional Chinese staple. In China, fried tofu with vinegar is a common household dish, often served as a quick appetizer or side. Regional variations exist, but the core stays the same. Golden tofu cubes tossed in a mix of vinegar, soy sauce, and sometimes garlic or sesame oil. Street food roots. Vendors in cities like Shanghai and Beijing sell it as a grab-and-go snack, dusted with chili flakes for extra heat. Home-cooked comfort. Families fry tofu at home, using black vinegar for a deeper, slightly sweet finish. The tangy contrast cuts through the tofu's richness, balancing flavors in a way only Chinese cuisine masters. Vietnamese street food favorite. Head to Vietnam, and you'll find fried tofu, do hu chien, drenched in a bright vinegar-based dipping sauce. Street vendors serve it with herbs, pickled veggies, or even stuffed into banh mi. Why do locals love it? The sauce usually combines rice vinegar, sugar, and fish sauce for a punchy, umami kick. It's a cheap, filling bite, perfect with an iced coffee or cold beer. This dish thrives in Vietnam's food culture, where texture and acidity play starring roles. Adaptations in Western cuisine. The West has embraced fried tofu with vinegar, often tweaking it to suit local tastes. Some restaurants bread the tofu for extra crunch, while others use balsamic vinegar for a sweeter twist. Key adaptations include salad topper. Crispy tofu adds protein to greens, with vinegar acting as a light dressing. Vegan staple. It replaces meat in grain bowls, paired with pickled vegetables for tang. While not traditional, these versions prove how versatile the dish is. Whether eaten on a plastic stool in Hanoi or at a hipster cafe in Brooklyn, fried tofu with vinegar always delivers. Choosing the right ingredients. The secret to perfect fried tofu with vinegar starts with picking the right ingredients. Every component plays a role, from the tofu's firmness to the vinegar's acidity and the herbs that tie it all together. Here's how to choose wisely. The best tofu for frying. Not all tofu is the same, especially when it comes to frying. You want something that crisps up beautifully without falling apart. Firm or extra firm. These hold their shape during frying, giving you those golden brown cubes with a crisp exterior and creamy center. Pressed or water-packed. Pressed tofu, like the kind sold in vacuum-sealed packs, has less water, making it fry faster and crisp better. If using water-packed, press it for 30 minutes first. Silken tofu? Skip it. It's too delicate for frying and will crumble in the pan. Pro tip. Freezing firm tofu before frying gives it an almost meaty texture. Just thaw, press, and cube it. Types of vinegar and their flavors. Vinegar isn't just for tang, it's the flavor backbone of this dish. The right one can elevate your tofu from good to unforgettable. Rice vinegar. Mild and slightly sweet, perfect for balancing without overpowering. Black vinegar. Deep, malty, and rich, often used in Chinese versions for a complex finish. Apple cider vinegar. Bright and fruity, great for a lighter, Western-style twist. Balsamic. Sweet and syrupy, but used sparingly, it can dominate. Store-bought vinegars vary in quality. Look for unpasteurized or aged options if you want more depth. Essential herbs and spices. A few extras can turn plain fried tofu into something special. These add layers of flavor and freshness. Garlic. Minced or grated into the sauce for a sharp, aromatic kick. Ginger. Adds warmth and brightness, especially paired with rice vinegar. Green onions or cilantro. Toss them on top just before serving for a fresh contrast. Chili flakes or Sichuan peppercorns. For heat lovers, a pinch wakes up every bite. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a dash of toasted sesame oil or a sprinkle of crushed peanuts for extra crunch. The best part? You can mix and match ingredients based on what you have. Experiment to find your favorite combo. Step-by-step guide to making fried tofu with vinegar. Now that you've got your ingredients sorted, it's time to turn that block of tofu into crispy, tangy perfection. This step-by-step guide walks you through preparing the tofu, frying it for maximum crunch, and whipping up a vinegar sauce that balances bold flavors. And that's how you get your tofu crispy and golden. But wait, there's more, we're just getting started. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll add the tangy vinegar sauce to finish it off. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.